Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are here again with you with the topic Habitat and Food Chain. It's lecture 3, part 3. So, in this lecture, we'll discuss about the food chain. So, first of all, when we are going to study the food chain, here we have given you a picture that study the food chain of a photograph below. Can you trace how living things can get food and energy? But before going further, we have one question. What is food? What is the food chain? A food chain describes how energy and nutrients move through an ecosystem. At the basic level, there are plants that produce the energy, then it moves up to the higher level organisms like herbivores. After that, when carnivores eat the herbivores, energy is transformed from one to another. Now you can see in this picture, we have given the grass, zebra and lion. So you can see that the grass makes food during photosynthesis by using the light energy from the sun. The light energy is converted to chemical energy stored in the form of food in the grass. Zebra obtain energy by feeding on the grass. Lions obtain energy by feeding on zebra. Food chain. The food relationship among living things and the transfer of energy through living thing in the form of food can be shown using a food chain such as that one below: grass, zebra, and lion. In a food chain, the arrow can be interpreted as eaten by. From the food chain above, we can see that the grass is eaten by the zebra, which is eaten by the lion. The grass is called the producer. Producer means which is produce itself because it is makes or produce food. The zebra and lion are called consumer because they eat or consume the organism. Now we have prey and predator. So when we are going to come prey and predator, so first we have to understand what is prey and who are called prey. Prey is an animal that is eaten by another animal, which is called a predator. The animals that fall prey are generally weak animals which are eaten by the stronger ones. The predator actively search for the prey. Now, I would like to give one example. What is both predator and prey example? You know that many animals are both predator and prey. When a spider is eating in its web, waiting for its insect meal, it is predator. However, if a lizard, a tongue darts out and catches the spider becomes a laser prey. Now in this picture, you can see the lion eats the zebra. It is called the predator of the zebra. Predators are animals which catch and eat other animals. The animals they eat are their prey. The zebra is therefore the prey of the lion. Can you give other example of predator and prey? Now we'll talk about the carnivores and herbivores. Lions eat only meat. They are known as meat eaters or carnivores. Zebra, on the other hand, eat only plants. They are known as plant eaters or herbivores. Think of the food you have eaten. Do you eat only meat or plant? Or do you eat both? Most people eat both animals and plant. Animals which eat both animals and plants are called omnivores. So you can see that in the picture we have shown you the carnivores. They are called as meat eater. Herbivores, they are plant eater, and omnivores, those who are eating animals and plant both. A food chain shows a food relationship among living things and how energy is transferred through living things in the form of food. A food chain starts with the producer such as plant, which can make its own food. Other living things which feed on the producers directly or indirectly are called consumer. Plants capture light energy from the sun to make food during photosynthesis. This energy is converted to chemical energy stored in food and transferred to other living things in a food chain. Some food chains shows predator prey relationship. Predators are animal which can't and eat other animal, while prey are animals which are eaten. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.